For this recipe, I'm going to need sausages or sausage meat, chicken stock, cumin, Moroccan seasoning or chermoula spice, baby spinach, passata with garlic or passata sauce, bulgar wheat, breadcrumbs, peppers, onions and garlic, and water. Add cumin and breadcrumbs into meatball. Add the bulgur wheat to boiling water. Add half the chicken stock. Simmer it for 1 minute and then turn. Fry the peppers for 3 to 4 minutes so they're charcoal. Add the meatballs to the pan. Brown them for 3 to 4 minutes, then add the onions. Add some salt and pepper and some sugar. Then add the garlic, mixing evenly. Add the peppers back to the dish and add the spices. Then add in the passata and then the water. Add the remaining chicken stock powder and stir. Season with salt and pepper according to your own taste. Add spinach until it wilts, a little bit at a time. Taste the stew and season again if necessary. There you have 741 calories, 38 grams of protein, 80 grams of carbs, 31 grams of fat per serving. That's perfect after any weight training session. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel for more bodybuilding recipes.